Hello again and welcome to the materials section. I'm gonna show you the supplies that I used. This is Strathmore watercolor paper, 140 pounds or 300 GSM. I also have 3 different brushes, a big one, a medium one, and a small one. This is size 10, size 6, and size 2. A mini mister that I am going to use for the background, paper towel, mixing watercolor palette, water, and of course our Art Basic 2024 Easter Watercolor Collection, which we are going to swatch in a moment. So I already prepared here watercolor paper with some squares. So I'm going to wet the pens and start swatching. What I'm doing here is grabbing a really thick consistency of the pigment in my brush, putting it on the paper, and then adding water to create a value scale so we get to know the darkest and the lightest value of the colors. Now I'm gonna let the colors dry and play a little with them. This Easter collection is one of my favorites, first of all because the pastel colors are stunning, and also because you get the best of watercolors and watch, the creamy, buttery, and opacity of watch. You can lift up the pigment in the paper and create beautiful texture. Also, you can layer and you can have this matte finish. You can glaze, activate the color all over again and add more pigments. You can play wet on wet and have this flowy and delicate blend that watercolor is known for. Now that we know our watercolors and got creative with them, let's sketch the flower.